Unraveling the spice of English. Let's get cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and vibrant phrase. Let's get cooking. This expression is not only about food but carries much more flavor and meaning in everyday English conversations. So, grab your notebooks, and let's start deciphering this intriguing phrase together. Let's get cooking literally refers to the act of starting to cook food. It's what you might say when you're about to prepare a meal and you're getting everything ready: the ingredients, the pots, and the pans. But in English, this phrase is not always about food. It's a versatile expression used in various contexts, which we'll explore in the next sections. In a figurative sense, let's get cooking means to start working on something with enthusiasm or to get a project moving. It's a motivational phrase that adds energy and excitement to the task at hand. Whether you're starting a new project, kicking off a meeting, or beginning a journey, this expression is a call to action. It's about igniting the spark and getting the ball rolling. How do you use "let's get cooking" in everyday English? It's simple. Use it when you want to. Encourage someone to start something with you. Signal the beginning of an activity. Inject energy and enthusiasm into a task. For example, before starting a group project, you might say, "All right, team, let's get cooking," to motivate everyone to begin working with zeal. It's also interesting to note the cultural aspect of this phrase. "Let's get cooking" reflects a dynamic and proactive attitude, common in many English-speaking cultures, especially in professional or collaborative settings. It embodies a spirit of teamwork and eagerness to take on challenges. "Let's get cooking" is more than just a phrase about preparing food. It's a vibrant expression of action, enthusiasm, and readiness in the English language. Whether you're literally about to cook or metaphorically starting a new endeavor, this phrase adds flavor and excitement to the conversation. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!